Hey you guys, I'm Anna, and in this video I'll be covering everything you need to know about LivPure, a supplement that has been causing a lot of buzz. So stay until the end so that your questions are answered and all your doubts are gone. There was a groundbreaking discovery made by a team of esteemed scientific researchers in 2023. They found something that overweight individuals have in common: compromised liver function. On the other hand, optimal liver function is a common factor among skinny people. You see, your liver plays a vital role in cleansing your body from all the chemicals and toxins we encounter through our food, medications, alcohol, and the environment in general. But did you know that your liver is also like a fat-burning furnace for your entire body? Everything you eat or drink eventually reaches your liver for processing. It's like a gatekeeper that decides whether the food you consume, regardless of its healthiness, will be burned as energy or stored as a body fat. Unfortunately, our modern lifestyles expose us to over 85,000 toxins regularly. These toxins enter our bodies through the food we eat, the water we drink, and the air we breathe, wreaking havoc on our livers. And even worse, these toxins harm the specific liver cells responsible for processing food and converting fat into energy. This leads to a sluggish metabolism, low energy levels, and stubborn belly fat. But here's the exciting part. Studies have shown that when your liver is functioning well, its cells can be up to 14 times more efficient at naturally burning fat and calories. And that's where LivPure comes in. It's a unique product designed to combat these liver challenges. LivPure is the only product in the world that contains our special liver purification and liver fat burning complex. The blend consists of Mediterranean plants and super nutrients chosen to rapidly optimize liver function. But you have to be careful where you buy it from because there are a lot of knockoffs. So to help you out, I'll link the official website in the description below. And you can also check out real reviews and get great discounts. Anyway, by using the real LivPure, you can experience incredible benefits like increased energy, healthier skin, better sleep, reduced hunger, clearer thinking, and improved overall health. And guess what? It even offers a 60-day money-back guarantee so you can feel confident with your purchase. They truly believe in their product and want you to be satisfied. So make sure you check out the real LivPure in the description below. That's all I had to say today. I hope that I answered all of your doubts, and see you next time.